Today, I will be buying a brand new fucking car.
First, we're gonna hear what the exhaust sounds like, and then we're gonna do a quick launch.
Right over here is now the new Lamborghini Urus Performante. Right now it has different tires. I'm gonna replace them. White seats, Alcantara, beautiful seats and stitching. Carbon fiber everywhere, obviously. It's a Performante, of course. Now at the house, this thing looks f***ing nuts at night, man. I am not mad about this at all.
You got a fucking Lambo now? Bro.
Does it look crazy?
Does it feel crazy?
Bro, it feels nuts. It's the Performante. It's like the fastest version.
Bro, the interior is insane too.